In this video, we'll be showing you how to set up WordPress on your vultr server. Once logged in, click on your server. Take note of the server IP address, username, and password. Then open your SSH client. He'll be using Mobexterm. Once logged into your server via SSH, just follow the on-screen prompts. When asked, always press Y. When you get to update starting, it may seem to freeze. Just give it time and it will continue. That's it for the SSH part. Now open a new browser window and type in your website URL. You will be greeted with the WordPress setup wizard. Just follow the instructions. It's very self-explanatory. Once complete, click Login. And log in using the username and password you just specified. You will see the WordPress dashboard. Click the home icon in the top left corner, then click Visit Site. That's it. Your website is up and running with WordPress. Check out other videos to learn how to customize WordPress.